is Shanna P. Today we are gonna do a look inspired by Ever After High. I am Bunny Blanc from Alice in Wonderland, and this again is a collaboration with other talented and beautiful Filipina beauty YouTubers. I hope you check out their videos too. If you like this kind of transformation, feel free to click the thumbs up button. If you have any comments, questions, or requests, feel free to write it down below in the comment box. And subscribe to my channel for more beauty and transformation videos. Alright, without further ado, if you want to know how I transformed from Shanna P to Bunny Blanc, then keep on watching this video.
For the fluffy collar and ears, I just glued 2 meters of feather trim on a cardboard. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize, then do your base makeup. For a light coverage, I mixed 2 BB creams, first from Misha Signature Real Complete, and the other one is a Etude House Cotton Fit. This wacky face is not necessary, just apply the product evenly on your face. Just to add dimension and warmth on my face, I put this darker foundation on my contour areas. Blend everything to a nice natural finish. Done? Time for the brows. Bunny Blanc has long bangs, so basically the brows won't be seen, but I just fill them in with my Everbelina pencil, set that with my e.l.f. brow powder, and clean the edge with a concealer. Next, prime your eyelids, and we are finally gonna add some colors. Here's a quick before and after look. Makeup Revolution magic! Get a skin tone powder for your overall lid color. Then swipe a matte pink powder just above your crease. Try to deposit more color on the outer corner and just smoothly blend it inwards. Then get a darker pink and intensify the color, moving closer to your actual crease. Try to blend the outer corner slightly upwards, and for the rest, do a windshield wiper motion. Get a matte dark plum and line your actual crease. Definitely not the best line in the world, but that's okay, we're just gonna blend it away. Apply the same matte pink on your lower lid, extending to a flick. Then this matte dark brown on the outer part of the line. And again, just blend everything in. Finally, just pack a champagne shimmery color on the lower part of the lid. Just tap and dab for a more intense color. Get your favorite liner and line your eyes as close to the lash line and extend it a tiny bit downward. Make a flick following the pink line from the lower lid. Get a brown gel liner to line your lower lash line and white eyeliner on your waterline to make your eyes look bigger. I'm just going over the outer corner with a dark pink powder. Then I use a pair of this full crisscross lashes. Then I cut one of these in half and put each part on the outer corner to make my eyelashes more wispy. The champagne overall lid color provides a good contrast for these black lashes. Enough of the pabebe poses, let's finish this look, shall we? Again, my favorite deep earth brown to contour my face on my cheekbones, jawline, and on my nose line. Then I applied a matte Dolly Pink blush on the apples of my cheeks going upwards. Then this shimmery pink to highlight my face. Here I'm just applying loose powder using a fluffy brush on the rest of my face. Pucker up for a two-tone lip combo. Mark Wen's bright pink lip pencil all over the lips.
Watch me nanny, watch me whip, whip, watch me nanny.
And yes, I was listening to Nene. Yo, haha. And I layered a burgundy lip color on the inner corners of my lips. Plumpy, isn't it? Mwah. I don't know about you, but I'm really feeling pabebe with this look, so forgive me. Bunny Blanc white ears, check. And her bob hair, partly checked. In my attempt to make the wig look a little bit lighter and to reduce its plasticky shine, I sprinkled some cornstarch. Obviously not the best idea. Epic fail, but the show must go on. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.